How to use JIRA Software, JIRA Project Management Software 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another great tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing about a platform that will make your life easier, and we're going to be discussing it in detail and in great depth, and we're going to be going through all the features and basic it brings you to help your life get easier with your business or your marketplace. And it's a great software called JIRA, and it's a great project management software. Now, if you don't know what a project management software is, project management softwares are basic platforms online that help you keep your business and projects and tasks in a civilized manner. And you can have a workplace with all of your clients or customers or your business partners or your workers. You can have a whole workplace with them, and you can keep yourself fully organized by giving them jobs, giving them tasks on assigned times, and it just makes your life so much easier. So if you're in a small scale business or a large business, or if you're just an entrepreneur company with a few people working around, this video is for you. If you're in any kind of business and you want your work to be properly civilized and just have an easier life when it comes to doing a business, then this video and JIRA project management software is for you. So without further ado, we're going to start discussing on how you can use it. So all I need you to do is just sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end to properly know how to use JIRA. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you're going to come to Google and obviously write JIRA. Once you do that, here it says JIRA.com. Obviously, JIRA is a proprietary issue tracking product developed by Atlassian that allows bug tracking. And obviously, it's a big company. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on JIRA Project Management. Now, once you do that, you're going to see that it's obviously a project of Atlassian, which is another company. And here we can see that JIRA issue and project tracking software. So all you need to do is you're going to go into their website. We're going to wait for it to load up really quick. And here we are. JIRA Software. Move fast, stay aligned, and build better together. The #1 software development tool used by agile teams. And obviously, if we come down here, we can see all the different features, like all from a single source of truth. You can plan different things. You can track and prioritize and discuss your team's work in context with complete visibility at every level. You can also ship faster with confidence, knowing the information you have is always up to date. Improve team performance in context based on real-time visual data. And you can also automate by saving time, keeping your team focused, and help workflow with no-code automation. Yes, I repeat, no-code automation. You don't need any coding experience. It's easier than ever. Templates give you a head start. There are different templates like Scrum, Kanban, bug tracking, and DevOps. Now, obviously, the most used are Kanban and Scrum, so we're going to be getting into those two as well. Then you can also customize as you grow. JIRA adapts to the way you work, not the other way around. Start simple and start customizing as you go along. And we come here, we can see that we believe in open relationships. Here are different tools you can start integrating with, like Amazon, Microsoft Teams, MetaMask. You have GitHub, you have Slack, and much, much more. Now, you can check all its different features out down here if you want to. But for right now, we're going to go with the features and the pricing plans. Now, again, we see the JIRA software features. Manage your powerful workload with Scrum or Kanban. Now, Scrum is basically a board that helps agile teams break large, complex projects into manageable pieces of work so focused teams working in sprints ship faster. So this is the Scrum board, and this is the Kanban board. Now, the difference in the Scrum and Kanban board, as you can clearly see, is Kanban board is a flexible board that helps teams visualize their workflow, limit work in progress, and maximize efficiency as a team, commonly used by agile and DevOps team to drive continuous delivery and improvement. Get started quickly with a template and customize as you go. So there's a major difference in Scrum and Kanban. Now, if you were to take my opinion, I would use Scrum just as a personal opinion, because I have been using Scrum for a while, and in my opinion, Scrum is just much better. So use Scrum. And if you go into the pricing plans, you can see they have 4 different pricing plans: the free, standard, premium, and enterprise. Now, obviously, today we're going to be using the free one, but you can go with the standard, premium, and enterprise plan if you want to. Now, with free, we're going to click on get started, and we're just going to wait for it to load up. Here, it's going to bring us up to get started, free for up to 10 users. You can sign up with an email or continue with Google. I'm just going to sign up with an email for now. So add in my email. There we go. Then you're going to add in a password, and you're just going to click on sign up. Now, once you do that, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So make sure to verify and then set up your account. Now, do make sure to have a strong password. So once you do that, you're going to click on sign up. And what this is going to do is it's going to properly set up your account. And once you've done all that, you're going to sign up with the email password you just created. And once we've done all that, we're going to come here where it says tell us a bit about yourself. This helps us personalize your experience. What type of team do you work in? It could be a sales, marketing, human resources. You can choose any one of these, or you can skip it. In my opinion, just choose these, because according to this, it's going to optimize your workspace. So let's say I'm going to go with sales. What's your role? You could be account manager. What's your main task? This is a multiple choice. So it could be designing or documentation, improving workflows, project planning. And once you choose all that, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, one moment, your site is starting up. And as I told you, according to the things you choose, what it's going to do is it's going to accordingly optimize your workplace and your JIRA management store. Now, once you've done all that, it's going to take you to your JIRA project management software page where it says create a project. So let's say I'm just going to name it work, and I'm going to click on create. So you can also choose the different templates. Here it says select some tools now, will help you connect them later. You can choose these. I'm just going to skip it for now. Invite your teammates. Obviously, you can invite them using email addresses. And once you've done that, you're going to click on done. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring you here to the main workspace. So this is your basic JIRA project management workspace, and it's very simple and it's very easy. It's like any other workspace. Over here, you can create projects by clicking over here. And once you create projects, you're going to see all your projects in this page over here. You're going to go on your projects, and this is your basic board. Now, you can change your template by going on project settings and just messing around with all these different settings that you have. But for now, I'm just going to teach you the main basics. Now, to add something, what you can do is you're going to go on the board. You're going to click on what needs to be done. And let's say I want that. And once you do that, you're going to click on this, the board you just created. You can attach things if you want to. You can assign it to someone in your workspace if you want to. You can put up a description to tell someone what's going to happen with this. And yeah, much more. Then you can also continue to create more and more and more and more. I'm just going to create more and more. And once you've created all these, you can start dragging and dropping them in all these different places as well. So here you've started dropping them. I'm going to put one in negotiation. I'm going to put few in lost. And here we are. Now to see a better view of this, actually change it to, let's say, summary. Once you go in summary, you can see all the work you've done over here. If you go in list, you can see the different view. As we can see over here, there's the list view. There's the whole calendar view. Accordingly, if you set dates on your board, here's the timeline view where you can check the timeline for all the different tasks you've put up and much more. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to use JIRA project management software to make your life easier when it comes to a business. Now, if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.